of you may know and some of you may not know. I was a mechanic for, I don't know, 20 or 30 years, off and on. I was a mechanic working at dealership and Firestone and Goodyear and Meineke and Midas and a whole bunch of places I worked at, a whole lot of different places. Some independent garages, owned a few of my own, things like that. But one of the things I was going to talk about today is we still have one last video, maybe more, but for one for sure, on SEMA. And what's it all about? It's going to show you some great tools. You know, we all need some good tools for our toolboxes, looking for neat things. There's some really cool things that I haven't seen on anybody else's channel. So I want to talk about them today, and we're going to have the manufacturer or the key person from each place to talk to you about this. The first one we're going to start off with, and hang through all these because there's some really good things. Somewhere in the middle, I'm going to put these wrenches. They've got these wrenches that will actually hold the nut for you, or a bolt if you're trying to get it into a tight place and get it out of a tight place. I'm going to order a set of these wrenches no matter what. Definitely standard ones for working on Harleys and things like that, but I may get a metric set too. So we'll show you those in a set here, so stay tuned and watch all of this because there's probably something that you don't know and something that probably will definitely be great for your toolbox, either at home or at the workplace. Let's get to it.
My name is Vicki, and I'm from Ernst Manufacturing.
And what kind of stuff do you sell, manufacture?
Yes, we manufacture tool organizers. So anything to organize your wrenches, your sockets, your pliers, you name it, we make an organizer for it.
Okay, let's talk about some of the products that you have.
We've got some basic kind of shop supplies, if you will. We've got our 10-compartment tray and our 3-compartment tray that are great for in the toolbox or just on your work stand. Great for small parts and washing parts, that kind of thing. They're fuel and solvent resistant. So those are great. They come in 6 different colors. We've got some of our tried and true items here. We've got our low profile screwdriver and wrench rails that are great for use in a shallow drawer. We've got our, this is our wrench gripper, and we had the patent on this forever with our Greg's tooth design here. He's the one that designed that, and you see them everywhere now, but ours are made of a pliable material, so it's not going to crack or break. And we have the forward and reverse design to utilize the space in the drawer. So those are great. We have our bit storage over here. These are our bit bars. We've got 3 different lengths. They have the magnets on the back, so they're great for grab and go. Take those with you, stick them to the side of your toolbox. And we also have our bit boss, which is a little bit more for in the drawer, but you can also pick it up. So these are great. Come on over here to the toolbox and I'll show you some of our newer items. We've got our socket boss, and we now have 3 lengths available. Our 8-inch is brand new. We've got our 18 and 13-inch as well. It's a twist lock design, so you just give the socket a quarter turn, releases it from the peg, drop it back on, lock it back into place, and everything's secure. And the individual rails also come off the tray, so you can mix and match, load up a tray for a certain job, that type of thing. So also all of our items come with a lifetime guarantee, and they're made in the USA, so that's a great selling point. So we've got our Plier Pro. It's got a nice rubberized base. You can get some up and off of the bottom of your toolbox drawer. You can get up to 60 pliers in this 30-inch drawer. Really cleans up the drawer nicely. So, and then we've got our Wrench Pro and our brand new Screwdriver Pro. These are great. They're modular, so it's a triple tab and single tab pieces with the magnets. So the beauty of it is you can snap them together and make whatever configuration you need for whatever size wrench that you have. So those have been our really great sellers for us.
How can we find your product? If I'm interested now and I'd like to buy some, how can I go about and buy your product?
Yes, we have our own website, ernstmfg.com. We do have a 15% off promo code for the show for good for a month. We also have an Amazon storefront as well, Ernst Manufacturing. And you can find us in Summit Racing, Northern Tool, some of those wholesale distributors.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Hey, this is Nigel here with GearWrench. We're here at SEMA 2024 and at the GearWrench booth.
Show me some of the things you got here.
So over here we have our newest stuff. We have these new GearWrench diagnostics. We're really breaking all the rules with our diagnostic tools. So we're starting with a lineup of 3 diagnostics. We have our GW Scan, which is kind of our entry-level diagnostic tool. It's around a $70 retail price point. We have the GW Smart BT, which actually links with your smartphone that we all have in our pocket today. So this is a professional level diagnostic tool. Has 23 popular reset functions. Works directly with your smartphone. You just download our app. And then you have our GW Smart 07, which is our professional grade tablet. So this is going to have 38 popular reset functions. And the big thing with our diagnostics, you're not going to have these yearly upgrade fees that you have. So these are going to be lifetime free updates, and then this professional grade tool, you're going to get 3 years of updates for free. So this is something that no other diagnostic competitor out there is going to have. After those 3 years are up, it's only going to be $150 a year to keep this up. We're pushing those updates daily, so this is really something you can do. Program keys, whatever. This is going to do everything you need at the shop.
Okay. What else we got?
Over here we have our Mega Mods. So this is our Mega Mod 1268, which is actually everything you see on the wall here. So you have 1,268 tools. You're going to get these toolboxes, carts, and what's great about this stuff is everything comes in these foam trays that you're seeing. They slide right in the box. Very nice and organized. You know, a lot of, you have safety, you know, this stuff sticks out, you know it's missing, everything's labeled. It has oil and solvent resistant trays. So and what's nice about this, you can configure it however you want. So you can throw these in a, you know, you can need all your wrenches up top, your sockets down bottom. It's very configurable. And then if you're working on something and you need this trays, you can actually lift these trays out, take them to the car or whatever. You can set this on the car, you're not going to damage anything. This comes with like a rolling cart, so you can kind of really build it however you want it. This is our, like I said, our Mega Mod 1268, but we actually have 5 of these already. So we have a Mega Mod MRO, which is a 613-piece tool set, and it starts off at around just $4,000 bucks. That's going to be your tools, foam, and box. So a really great price point for, you know, a veteran technician or somebody just getting started.
That's cool. What does this run?
This and everything you see here is just going to be retailing around like $14,999. So that's going to be all your tools, all your foam, all your boxes. Something that if you went with a competitor, you couldn't even get in a box this size at a price point. So this is really, like we said, targeted at, you know, guys getting started out, or even somebody who has been in the trade for 20 plus years.
Anything else you want to show me?
These are our big things we have going on here at the booth. We've kind of got our Kruger construction gang over there. They actually built this Tacoma with GearWrench tools. But we're just out really getting the word out on our diagnostic stuff and showcasing the Mega Mods that we've actually won a couple awards here while we've been out here at the SEMA Show. So we're very excited about that, and it just kind of continues to show the value that we feel these have in this space.
So if I wanted to buy something from you, how can I find you?
So you can get GearWrench all over. We're widely available through a variety of distributors. So, you know, you think of an industrial distributor, an automotive distributor. We're even available on Amazon. You can search us, you know, Google's your friend, I would say. Or you can go to GearWrench.com, and there's actually a where to buy section. It's going to show a lot of options where you can get our stuff.
Okay. All righty. I thank you for your time.
Absolutely. Thanks for stopping by.
You know, we're standing right here in front of Milwaukee Tools. You know, a lot of you guys use Milwaukee Tools. They got some really great tools and things like that out there. Let's go inside and see if they got any new products that might be something that I might need or something that you might need.
That's right. It's very red in here, so let's go check them out.
How you guys doing? My name is Ross Dickerson with Milwaukee Tool. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the boom light here. So we got a power button on the base of the tool, and at the top of the tool here, a couple of different light modes. So on high, you're going to have 2,500 lumens of light, 4.5 hours of runtime. On low, you'll have 1,000 lumens of light, 12 hours of runtime. It's quoted with the 5 amp hour battery. You got a magnetic base on the bottom here with a quick release handle. So you can see the magnets. 300 pounds of holding force on there. So you slap that onto any magnetic surface. It's not going to be going anywhere. And then bending and articulating joints. So you can shine this light wherever you need it to be. It's available now. It'll be starting at a $279 price point. The runtimes are quoted with the 5 amp hour battery. So on high, you'll get up to 4.5 hours of runtime. On low, you get 12 hours of runtime. But like I said, quoted with the 5 amp hour battery, so we have the 12 amp hour Forge on there, so you can expect much longer run times when using a bigger battery, but compatible with any battery within the M18 system.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm here with Milwaukee Tools today, and I'm going to be walking you through our new set here. So this is going to be our 366-piece Master Mechanic set. This is going to include all our current innovative product offerings. Going to be kitted in this EVA foam with that high contrast red color in there, so you can easily identify when a product's missing and get it back in its home. Going to offer a variety of products in these. Going to have a variety of ratchets and sockets in this top one here. Combination wrenches in both SAE and metric. Ratcheting combinations in both SAE and metric. And then some core hand tools down in here. This set is going to ship as all 3 packouts plus the dolly, as well as each individual packout and the individual trays for you all.
And is it already set with tools, or can you pick what you want?
Yes, so it's going to come completely kitted, but each individual packout will be completely kitted, and if you want to just purchase each individual tray, you have that option so you can make it fully customizable to whatever you need.
And they're in stock now?
Going to be shipping May 2025.
There you go. What do we got going on today?
All right, I'm about to show you guys our brand new Gen 2 M12 Fuel Stubby Impact Wrench. So from our previous generation, for those who are familiar, this tool output 250 foot-pounds. We've taken this tool to the next level, maintaining size and weight, and almost or more than double the performance, having this tool output 550 foot-pounds of nut busting torque, making it the most compact and lightest weight in its class, and also the fastest in application speeds. Give you a quick demonstration here on this crank bolt. There you have it.
Very nice. Do you know the price of it?
$199 bare tool right now.
And does that come with a battery?
We have a 2 battery kit that goes on. I believe it's about $329 depending on where you're purchasing.
First name Dennis, Wera Tools.
Okay, tell me a little bit about what you got going on here.
Wera Tools are basically an innovative company. We look for areas where there's development needed still on future tools. So we kind of take tools, existing tools, look for ways to improve them. Typical open-end wrenches normally look like this. A couple issues. One, if you're trying to turn a fastener like this, you keep sliding over. You try to put your thumb on there, it works as good as it can. Tight areas, that offset was originally designed to be able to flip. Once you flip it once, you come up to that 3rd time, you can't get on there. If I go take this apart, gravity's going to work and that nut's going to end up falling usually where you don't want it to go. So with Wera, we fixed that. So basically with this wrench, it's straight on, so it's a little unique to start with. Here, instead of sliding over like everybody else's, if I go 1/4 turn, it locks onto the end of the fastener. You can actually pick it up and carry it. When you're in tight spots, you no longer have to bring the wrench out and flip it. All I have to do is lift up and set down. I'm just raising and lowering it. I can stand here all day and keep turning. My favorite part is I can actually grab that fastener from the top, remove the bolt from the back, and the nut's captured in the end of the wrench. Turn it over, it falls right out. So there's little overhangs in the corners, but enough there to grab that nut. So when you're orienting it, you have to drop it in like you would, and then you can slide it right back together. And 80 teeth on the other side. Yeah.
That is very unique.
That's it.
How big do the sizes go in that?
And that we go up to 32 millimeter, but it's a double end open end wrench at the 32. In the sets we go from 7 millimeter to 19 millimeter, and that goes to a double end. And we also have one more wrench that's really a unique feature, is it's a self-adjusting open end wrench. Each one covers a range of metric and SAE sizes, and the tighter you pull, the more even clamp force you develop.
How hard can you pry on it?
There's about 700 foot-pounds of torque this handle's been rated for. Okay. So all lifetime warranted.
And how can they find your product?
Basically, we are on the web. We don't sell direct, so we do have distributors out there that will sell our products for us. So you can either search the web or reach out to us, and we can point you in the direction of a good distributor.
Okay. And so what's the website?
Website is www.weratools.com.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.
That's really cool. I like
Awesome.
that.
Thanks.
So I take it you only make it in metric?
No.
Oh, you got SAE too?
Yeah.
Okay.
SAE we do one different I did point out is SAE we do chrome pattern, and then on the metric we do the black. So basically, to glance on the bench, you can see what you're grabbing. We also do color coded by size.
And how big on the standard?
Standard goes up to 3/4 right now. 5/16 to 3/4.
Okay. All right. I like that.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Chemnitz with Wiha Tools. We're an 85-year-old German hand tool company, still family owned, which I think is very important because we can make decisions around quality. Please come with me. So Wiha is best known for our full line of insulated tools. This is our master electrician set, 80-piece, full line of insulated tools. Drivers, pliers, T-handles. If you come around to this side of the booth, see our full line of insulated pliers, drivers, torque control, tweakers. This is a fantastic popular new product called the Pocket Max. So really nice form factor in our slimline blade system. All of our insulated products are rated to 1,000 volts, tested to 10,000 volts. Every single piece is individually tested as it comes off the line, dipped in water that's charged to 10,000 volts. Pliers, cutters. So we already went through the insulated. All the yellow and red indicates that's the European standard for insulated tools. We got classic grip. We also have something we call industrial soft grip. Not on display today, but that's an uninsulated version of the more comfortable handle. As we're getting more and more popular in the automotive, especially the crossover between all the electric vehicles coming online and our full line of insulated, we're doing a lot more garage mechanic tools. So this top box, brand new at the show. First time it's available. We've got a full line of foam trays that I can show you on the other end of the booth. We're now up to 25 foam trays. They come in full drawer, half drawer, quarter drawer sizes. Moving on, we have some soft-sided storage. There's a backpack that we actually introduced at the show last year. Comes in a number of set configurations. We've got an apprentice electrician, journeyman electrician, master electrician, and then an industrial MRO backpack kit. Also very big power tool accessories. We think we have the best bits in the business. We do something we call the bit challenge, where we break our competitors' bits. We take our T25 versus their T25. Most brands can last only a second or two in our torture chamber. These bits will go on for minutes. So it's all about the steel, it's all about the heat treatment at the end, and it's all about the fit and finish of the bit. We'll go to foam trays, because that was, you got the foam tray bit over there.
Extra heavy screw sets.
So for garage mechanics, we got a full line of foam trays. These fit in most standard drawers. Brand new, introduced at the show. We put all of our 3 L-key sets in here. We've got metric, SAE, and Torx. We also have T-handles in SAE, metric, and Torx. Inspired by our screwdriver handles, we've introduced a soft finish ratchet. Our screwdriver handles are shown to require 40% less torque because of the soft finish handle. For garage mechanics, this should take a little bit of stress off your hands. Also important for garage mechanics, we have something we call the micro finish handle. So our heavy duty screwdrivers, the purple handle indicates micro finish. It has extra texture. If your hands are greasy, bloody, it happens. You've maintained the grip with the micro finish. We're up to 25 foam trays, so drivers, pliers, wrenches, sockets, T-handles, L-keys, you name it. We've been coming to the SEMA Show a lot of years, and this is the first time that we were honored with the New Product Showcase Award. Very proud of this. We're calling it the Overlanding Kit. So you're going out overlanding in your Jeep, your Land Cruiser. We wanted to have a box that would be a nice form factor, allow you to have most of the tools you need for any backcountry repairs. So we've got our color-coded nut setters, bits, bit holding handle, bit holding T-handle, mallet, etc. And there are 4 trays in this kit. So then we move on to screwdrivers, including extra heavy duty, 3 sets of L keys, metric, SAE, and Torx. Full tray of pliers and cutters, including a wire stripper in there. And last but not least, most of the wrenches and sockets that you'll need. And this is all in a waterproof case. And it is light enough to fly with.
So how can we find your products? Where do I need to go?
All of our products are available at wihatools.com, as well as many distributors across the country, including Grainger, Fastenal, MSC, and even Amazon.
Hi, I'm Eric.
And what's the name of the company?
We're Cool Bus, which is a part of BendPak.
And what are you guys doing here?
We're here selling these portable evaporative coolers. They're really a lot more energy efficient than any air conditioning unit and can bring down the temperature in different areas by up to 30 degrees.
And you have a lot of different sizes.
Yeah, we carry these big ones. We have them that get up to a 115-gallon tank. It'll get you 8 or 9 hours of cooling. And then we have some smaller ones that have direct hookup to any hose. That way you can keep it connected. It has auto shutoff valves, and something like this can move 3,000 square feet of air. Some of these bigger models can move up to 6,000 square feet of air.
And where are you guys located at?
We're in Southern California with another large warehouse coming in Alabama. We do have a small warehouse there right now, and we're expanding.
And if they're interested in this, what's your website?
Coolboss.com or bendpak.com.
There you go. We'll send them your way.
Perfect. Thank you.
So we got some really cool stuff going on. They got all kinds of new equipment here. It's APlusLIft. Look at all this cool stuff. They got balancers and tire changers and, you know, really cool, really cool. There's the lifts. They don't have the motorcycle lift here today, which is okay. You can't always have everything in a small booth. You just gotta kind of put everything in. The compressor going over here, making a little bit of noise with that. It's gonna blow up that air on that tire. All kinds of different types of tire changers. Got the big, the little. Pretty cool. Got ones that protect the rims so you don't scratch them all up. So yeah, pretty cool. We highly, highly, highly can't say enough about APlusLifts.
My name is David. I've been with APlusLIFT for about 4 years now. Based in Washington. We've got 15 warehouses across the nation to be able to ship all across USA. The one that I'm standing by today is the TR10C. It is a 12-foot tall lift that is lifts 10,000 pounds. 2-post lift, and it has a 3-stage arm in the front, a 3-stage arm in the rear. It is both asymmetrical and symmetrical. The nice thing about this one is it's ALI certified, so it has the gold label from ALI. So it's passed all of the ALI certifications for those that legally need it or want it for insurance reasons to be able to lower the insurance rates for their shops.
How many different styles of lifts do you have?
Oh, we've got a lot of different styles of lifts. We've got a couple different 2-post lifts. We've got base plate models, 9K models, overhead 9K, we've got 10K, we've got single release, we've got double release. We have a couple 12,000, which is this one right here behind you, a 12,000 pound 2-post lift. And then we've got a variety of 4-post storage lifts as well as alignment lifts. We also now have the alignment rack for those alignment lifts. And then we also have a lot of motorcycle lifts, which you guys know very well. We have a couple different motorcycle ATV lifts that we use. We also have quite a few scissor lifts that we know that we use. This one here is a tried and true that we've had for many, many years. We really enjoy it, and a lot of people love it. All in all, we sell about 5,000 lifts per year.
And you have warehouses all over the United States.
Yes, sir.
Let's take a look around and show us some of the new equipment you got around the other side.
Perfect, sounds like a plan. All right, so this is the TAT28, which is our automatic tire changer, which means all you have to do is press this button right over here, and it will automatically take off the tire. This will rotate down, so you can just put the new one next to it, and then it rotates back up, and then you're good to go and start all again. It does have a manual mode, in which case the manual mode means that you can take off the tire in roughly 40 seconds and put on a new tire in about 15 seconds or so.
Less than a minute.
Yep, less than a minute and you can be changing a tire. The tools are automated, and this nylon pads are all protecting so that it doesn't scratch the rim at all. And then it has sensors that automatically read the TPMS sensor inside so that it knows what type of TPMS, and then also to avoid it. This is a brand new one. It just went up on our website yesterday live, so pretty new to us. Yeah, we love it. Given a lot of the other competitors out there a run for their money. We've got a lot more new tire machines, new wheel balancers. We've got a lot of AC machine, as well as a brake fluid and ATF machines. And then our alignment machine is super new. And then we can see what it's like here in action.
All you gotta do is break the bead down.
And it works on low profiles. I believe it goes from 13 inches to 28 inches rear, which means the tire, the max tire width, I believe, is 41 inches.
So we're going to leave you right here. You know, I've kind of seen all those. If there's some of those things you think you'd like, put down here. You know, I don't know if anybody wants to buy that big mega tool set for about $14,000. But I mean, if I was starting out, getting a toolbox and all that, you know, you'd probably spend 5 times that from the Snap-on or the Mack truck. So for that set, it's pretty cool. And they also had all those other sets I wanted to show you. And the prices I got, which I flashed up on the screen, were what I got off of Amazon. So you can order them right from Amazon to be shipped to you. You never know. Black Friday's coming up. Maybe they'll have a sale on them. You never know. So you might check that out. But I mean, all those other wrenches, we gave you the locations where you can buy them from, give you their website so you can check it out if you want that. And if there's things there that you think you might like, put it down here in the comments and let me know what you think. You know, I love to do tools, and I love to talk a little bit more about mechanic, and a lot more we're going to stick over on our new channel, which is Bob and Tam's Cars, Trucks, and Motorcycles. We should have added tools to the end of that. Drop the motorcycle and put tools, because we already got a motorcycle channel. But too late now, because we already set it all up. I could change it, but it might confuse people, and we wouldn't want to confuse anybody. So there you go. We're going to leave it right here, and we'll see where it's at. And definitely over in the car channel, I've got a whole bunch of cool cars we've seen out in SEMA, and I'm going to put a video together and put that out. Hopefully this week you'll get to see that too. So there you go. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to make sure people get notifications. And leave a good comment for me. Let me know what you're from. Let me know if you're a mechanic, what you do, what you turn your wrench, if you work at a dealership, if you work at independent, what you do or what you work on. There you go. See you all later.